Look at all this rubbish. Look at it. I mean, honestly, who sells all this sort of rubbish? Oh, it's you. Oh, yeah.
Cornish.
Good quality kit, mate. Yeah, yeah.
There you go. Sticker for you.
Thank you, sir. But I already have one.
You can have another one.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah. Very nice.
But this one's just been sharpened, so that's the one I used to use initially.
Yeah.
I love the colours.
That's the first one I started using, but I go into sea because I camp on beach, but I do a lot of swimming. But I take my knives out with me and stuff, and rivers. I'll swim across rivers and stuff when I'm out and about. So I needed something which weren't going to go into corrosion. So I ordered stainless steel version, exactly the same knife, but in stainless steel. And then I've got my other bushcraft axe, which I'm not leaving crap out of, and I've got that one as a collector's item.
Yeah.
And then I've got that as like a little camp knife. But again, that's never actually been used yet. But there will be. Because I can need to change them because it's the same knife.
Yeah.
So I can have that one going that way, then that one goes that way. If you get me.
Yeah.
And then axe hangs on back. I want to.
Not following any water.
Oh. But it's like they're not just pretty, they'll take some serious ammo. I've not living crap out of them.
Yeah.
And the other one I've got, which I call my adventure knife, I think is taking off to show somebody. I put that through some, like a tester on a video.
Yeah.
Battened the living crap out of it, and it did everything I wanted it to do.
I couldn't decide whether to pour it on the outside after I got the bloody bits on it. It feels so nice. You know, they sort of it's almost suede, isn't it?
Is it Patrick leather stuff?
Yeah, Patrick leather. Yeah.
I was telling Andy about it earlier.
Yeah.
Saying he was going to get some fancy stuff, and I was like,
Alright, walking around looking at the various stalls of stuff for sale. There you see my sleeping bag. I just picked this up just to have a look at it. No intentions of actually purchasing anything. And the guy said, oh yeah, a tenner for you. I went, what? It's Gore-Tex. And he goes, yeah, £10 for use. It says Gore-Tex bivvy bag for 10 quid. How cool is that?
I would have, but I've already bought.
It's all of a mess, that took your fucking mess away.
Yeah, no, it's
Mess doesn't touch that.
That's the bloody size on.
Don't
You know,
get
can't remember what it is on this. I think they're about 9.5.
I like your back scratcher.
I think it's my new spatula.
Do you know what you need to go with that?
Stew.
Do you know what you need to go with that? A pizza oven.
Pizza oven.
Yeah.
That'd be cracking. It's a kayak paddle. Except it's 2 seasons.
Okay, it's the end of the second last day. It is Saturday evening. We're going to be having Mexican style rice with chili con carne and pita bread wraps for dinner. Come on. That'd be right. Make me walk for it. I haven't thrown it yet. Alright, it's Sunday morning. I'm at Scott's tent. I'm all packed up. I'm going to hang around for another couple of hours, then we're going to head off. It's been a really good weekend. The weather so far today is alright. It was good yesterday. Thursday, Friday was a bit wet and drizzly. But it's been windy all weekend. The wind has not let up, but that's fine. My kit handled it. Yeah, morning, Goonie.
How we doing, Rob?
How was your weekend?
Awesome, mate. Been absolutely amazing.
Even with the bad weather?
Even with the bad weather. The only thing that's not been good about is the tent's absolutely dead.
Yeah, I know that from personal experience,
So
that it was falling apart.
We're going to repurpose it though, because Steve Frogmoon is going to take all the poles and things and pegs to make one of his famous shelters, but the actual tent's going in the bin.
Yeah. Yeah, that pole snapped over there. I can make bushcrafty tent pegs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, all the seams, everything's. But these kind of tents just aren't made for the wind.
No. Jay, when he was out doing his hike, no, went to collect the girls, didn't he?
Yeah. Went back. Yeah, that was it. Yeah.
The winds picked up and the tent started to collapse. So there's about 5 of us all.
Yeah, big thanks to everyone, Rob and everyone that jumped to it.
Yeah, we jumped in. We put up a wall, a windbreak, and duct tape places.
Made back together.
And made some bushcraft pegs.
See,
and
to the rescue.
At least you had a home to come back to.
Yeah.
So it wasn't end up at the other end of the valley.
Very much appreciated.
This is Goonie teamwork.
Yes. Got him lie flat. It'll make it come out. Oh, the rest of it. Go on, lie down. In fact, I'll show you probably did it.
Yeah, chuck her in the boot with it. Yeah, I had the single one of that, and even with that, I could still feel the incline in the soil.
Ah, yeah.
It's very, very slight.
Yeah. You can still tell it's there.
How's the weekend for you?
Great, mate, excellent, as always.
Looking forward to going back to civilization?
No.
I think there's a lot of that going around.
This is my civilization.
Yeah. Get you a pretty intense coffee without a lot of hot water.
Oh, so like a
Yeah.
like an espresso?
And then put a bit of cold water on it. Espresso.
This is camping.
I totally understand.
shouldn't be that sharp, so that's really hot.
Put a little bit of water in there.
The little roll bars do come in handy.
Yeah.
I can give you a bit of honey for your coffee as well.
Oh yes, please.
So
See,
put it in under 55
this
degrees.
is what you call a community of people who look after each other.
That'll be £6.50, please.
I'll send you a check when I get home.
So annoying.
This is a really simple hot water system. Water, tap, stove, sorted. Morning everyone. How was the weekend for everybody?
Can't remember.
Awesome.
Oh, good then, eh?
Always is.
Shiny and pointy.
New acquisition, Chris Kane.
Was that the competition win? The raffle?
No, I bought it. It was like Andy over there had loads of Chris Kanes.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw some of them.
And that one on the...
Yeah, that's was that one of the prototypes or the? Yeah, that's one of the prototypes.
Parang.
Yeah.
Just need to get a sheath made of that now. Well, there's a hell of a lot of weight in that.
Yeah, if you hold them side by side, you can see the design. Big brother, little brother.
There's a right little set in it.
Yeah. Made just down the road in Sheffield.
I might even get a sheath, I might even see if I can piggyback with one off it. Could work.
Yeah. It wouldn't be my style, I like to keep them separate.
See. Oh, well, that said, I will have a lot of that on my belt all the time with weight in it, but that one, you just don't feel it. I had it on for a little bit yesterday.
I've actually grown accustomed to having this around my neck.
It's nice, just handy, just a little folder.
I bought this from a guy a couple of years ago, and it's a Swedish barrel knife. You see the handle's very similar to the Mora Classic, the one that's painted red. That pulls open like that. You turn it, the handle goes back on. That's an antique. I've got the maker's information at home, I just can't remember the guy's name. His name was Ericsson or Fredrickson or something like that. It's about 103 years old.
Still as sharp as a razor.
Yeah. And it's actually
Very
one
nice.
we believe it's one of his prototypes before he started full manufacturing, because where the blade grind goes down, you can see he went a little bit too far, and you can actually see where he's filled in, where too much metal has been removed, and that pin has actually been filed out rather than actually inserted, and it's got the number 3 stamped on there. You can tell by the font that it's old school, and that's the actual size of the blade, 3-inch.
Right.
So technically, like this is UK legal because there's no locking. And once it goes in, it's then a fixed blade, so it's still legal. But the question is that now UK legal?
Yeah.
You know, because there's a folder and it's got a lock, but the lock's got nothing to do with opening or closing it. Yeah, so I brought this along to show people, because not many people know about them, and it sits around the neck nicely. You don't even notice it's there.
Yeah, very good.
Come on, Paul. Hold his breath for a long time.
cool.
I'm kind of getting the hang of it, but it's all proper counterintuitive, isn't it?
Catch you later, Rob.
See you next year if I don't catch up with you sooner.
Yeah.
Bye.
Something else, because that audio's still there. So I do collect Foley like that, robbing it.
It's the way to do it, like, you know, then you can, if you want to, you've got a really bad wind machine and you can steal a couple.
I wonder if you notice if I swap cameras.
So they would have still on. You never see the damn things.
Did you see the one which attached to that pole?
It's a glorious day. It's Sunday. We have a Peak District. This is Edale Valley. They call it Kuiper Pass. Right down the middle of the screen is a campsite. Breakfast? Brunch. Actually, it's probably lunch. Well, watching. Still the crew for yet another great event. Go around checking, make sure everything is alright, checking if there's any problems. So, thanks, lady. Thanks, viewers, for joining me. Nothing special, nothing spectacular with regards to the video, just the odd bits and pieces. Knife makers, traders, kit for sale, people sitting around campfires. So yeah, until next year, this is RDPproject signing off from Edale.